Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install PostgreSQL on Windows 11 operating system. Go to any search engine and search for download PostgreSQL and press enter. Simply click on this downloads PostgreSQL. We have packages and installers for Linux, macOS, Windows, BSD and Solaris. Click on Windows. See, these are the versions available for Windows. Click on this download installer. So I am going to download the latest version, that is 14.1. See, click on this download under Windows. See, download has been started. See, download completed. Then click on this PostgreSQL 14.1 Windows 64 exe file, or go to this folder. Then click on PostgreSQL 14.1. Click on next. Select the installation directory. By default it has selected C program files, PostgreSQL and 14. Click on this one and go to, then change it. Then click on next. See, these are the components available with this version: PostgreSQL Server, pgAdmin, Stack Builder and command line tools. See, once we click on each one, here it will give the description of the tool, what it will do. pgAdmin 4 is a graphical interface for managing and working with PostgreSQL databases and servers. Stack Builder may be used to download and install additional tools, drivers and applications to complement your PostgreSQL. Command line tools. See, we have to install. One is library, PQ, ECPQ, PG base backup. These are the dump tools. So I am going to install all three. Then click on next. Here we have to select the data directory where to store all the PostgreSQL database data. Click on next. Here we have to provide the password for the user. That is super user. That name is Postgres. See here. Then click on next. Provide the port. By default 5438 is the PostgreSQL server port. Click on next. Select the localized settings. I am going with the defaults. Then click on next. This is the pre-installation summary. Then click on next. Again next. See, setup has finished installing PostgreSQL Server on your computer. Launch Stack Builder at exit. I don't want to launch it. Then click on finish. We have successfully installed. Now go to start programs, then search for PSQL. See, this is the PSQL is the shell to connect to PostgreSQL server. Click on it. Provide the server name. Server name is localhost. Database is Postgres, that is default. Port 5432. Username Postgres. Provide the password for this Postgres user. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server. PSQL client version is 14.1. Let's verify the PostgreSQL server version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 14.1. Connect to PostgreSQL from pgAdmin. Start. Search for pgAdmin. See, this is pgAdmin 4 is the version installed. Click on Run as administrator. Provide the password that we have given at the time of installation. We have connected to PostgreSQL 14. See, it contains only one database, but if you run the command in the prompt, it will show more databases /l. See, here template 0 and template 1. These are the default databases, but here it is showing only one database, that is Postgres database. Expand this one, logins and group roles. These are the list of the default login or group roles comes with PostgreSQL server. If you want to start or stop PostgreSQL server on Windows 11, go to services.msc. Scroll down, see here PostgreSQL x64 14 is running. If you want to stop, click on this stop button or this stop link, or right click and select this stop. If you want to restart, click on this restart. Same way here, restart and restart. Okay. If you want to create a database, create database and database name. It is success. Let's verify databases. See, we have created database R2 schools. If you want to see list of users, just type du. We have only one user because this is fresh installation. The same way, you want to switch to newly created database /c or connect and provide the database name. If you want to see the list of the tables in this database /dt. We don't have any. So in this video we have seen how to download and install PostgreSQL on Windows 11 operating system. Then we have seen how to connect to PostgreSQL by using PSQL tool as well as using pgAdmin. Then we have seen list of the databases and tables, and we have created a database in PostgreSQL. Then we have seen how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL on Windows 11. For more PostgreSQL server videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.